So how I started was I had my code on GitHub, like many of you, and I connected that with an online code editor. So I could basically code from anywhere, home, work, some breaks, my parents' laptop, wherever. So I would have an online code editor. Let's say, in my case, it's Glitch, because they integrate nicely with Firebase. I can connect Glitch with GitHub, and new code, I can push code to GitHub if I make updates in Glitch, and I can also import from GitHub into Glitch. So I can code here online wherever I want. Now Glitch has the option to automatically deploy to a Firebase hosting site. So here on this side, Firebase, after you create an account, you can then push your code to Firebase. This is for the static hosting. So your HTML files, your CSS files, pictures. This is Firebase hosting, to be specific. And the only thing I need to do on Glitch side is to create a Firebase JSON file. And if you have that file, it automatically will appear that you can host or push your code to Firebase automatically. No coding needed, no command line required here. So this is the one part. This is my front end. Now my back end is written in Python, and I want to also get this somehow automatically to run in the Google Cloud Run service, which is in a beta mode right now. And it basically runs your code in a container, in a Docker container. And so it can basically be deployed anywhere else. So how to do that? Now GitHub has a marketplace, and there you can download the Google, I think it's a Google Build app. Yeah, Google Build app. And this app gives you the possibility to automatically create an image of your code that could run in the cloud in a container. So it basically creates that container file for you. Every time you push, let's say, to master branch, it will run a build. It will create an image that you then can host in Google Cloud Run. So this here then is Cloud Run. This can all be done in the user interface, in the browser interface, in the Google Cloud Console with clicks. So you don't have to code here either. No command line required. You don't have to download any packages for Google Cloud to build images. It's all basically in the app over here on the left side. Okay, so that's basically it. Now you have your backend running Google Cloud Run and your front end in Firebase. And on the code side, I can go to do that in other videos afterwards. On the code base, it's easy. I think it is the Firebase JSON file that you created down here, that tells the Google hosting site that every time a certain URL is requested, that it should ask the container or your backend instance that's running on Google Cloud Run, and will only be invoked when there is a request. And that's basically it. Now people can see your app on the URL that you get from Firebase, which actually are quite neat because they're like your name plus web.app. pretty short, nice, neat website name for free. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I would make some follow-up videos after that, going a bit into more detail of the actual code and how it's working. Thanks for watching.